Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. How about chilling and enjoying a great time with friends while bowling and not having to stress over prepping party food and cleaning up later? You can do just that at Houston's first upscale boutique bowling alley equipped with 15 lane, a modern American restaurant, and a bar, and all under one roof. This could be the ideal location for your next birthday or bestie hangout. Located in Houston City Center on 797 Sorella Court, it's open daily, Sunday till Thursday from 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. and Friday and Saturday from 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. We checked this upscale boutique bowling alley out one day and had a great time cheering each other. The seating is spacious and comfortable, and the food filled our hungry tummies. The best thing is none of us were professional bowlers. You don't have to be a professional bowler, and it felt great trying out something that could not be done during the pandemic. It feels really good to be able to have a good laugh and enjoy some time with friends and even have a few rounds of beers. Surprisingly, the menu looks good too, offering burgers, meatballs, pizza, fries, crab husk puppy, and even salad for the health conscious. The mornings from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. are quieter and have better rates for the lanes. Check out the website and find the menu and summer promotions. There is currently a US $10 summer break kids bowl promotion for Mondays to Fridays between 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Check out the website to look at their menu and promo. This upscale bowling alley is also located at San Antonio and Dallas. It is best to reserve as the place could get busy on certain days. Thanks for watching, and I hope this recommendations gives you a chance to have a rolling fun times with friends and family. Cheers to you all. Bye.